Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Use for Tunes. Today I'll discuss about Misaligned or weird looking text in printer part 2. Check your printer utility. Check your printer utility for a head alignment function. For a head alignment function, some printers can do this automatically. Some printers do this automatically, while others will print out a chart. While others will print out a chart and then have you choose which text alignment settings looks the best. Even if you did the alignment when your current cartridges were first inserted, they might become misaligned over time. So it's worth a shot. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.